Hey, what's up, students? Let's do the multi-versed starburst. Point B is at 7, 4. Find the next coordinate points for each of the provided slopes. So here's what's going on, students. We're starting at point B, and then we're going to move by 2, we're going to move by -3, we're going to move by -4/5, and then 3/2. We're going to move by all of these slopes, and I want you to find the next coordinate point. Notice it says type them as x comma y with no spaces. The parentheses are already provided. You just got to go x, y, with a comma separating them, no spaces. So something that's going to help me out is if it's 7, 4, that means our x coordinate point is 7 and our y coordinate point is 4. So if you use this grid, or if you use your own paper, which I would strongly recommend using your own grid paper, you could fill in the missing coordinate points so to kind of help you do the math a little bit more efficiently. So let's see, this would be a 3, this would be a 2, and then a 1, 0, -1, -2. So if you're 7, we always run to the right. So I'm just going to go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That might be all I need to do. I'll just do a few more just to be safe. Okay, now let's apply these slopes and find the next coordinate point. So if I started at B and I had a slope of 2, rise over run, I'd go up 2 over 1, or you could also say 1 to the right, changing the height. My next coordinate point with a slope of 2 would be right there at 8, 6. There we go. So again, rise over run, it'd be 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, boom, there we are. Okay, that is the coordinate point 8 and 6. All right, slope of -3, rise over run, that's -3 over 1, so we would go down 3 over 1, or you could say 1 to the right, changing the height. 1 to the right, changing the height. There we are, we're at 8 and 1. 8, 1. All right, not too bad. We're just applying slopes 4 different times to the same starting point B. Let's see, a slope of -4/5. Well, if we go rise over run, tells us exactly what to do. We're going to go down 4 over 5. Here we go, down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we are. We're at the coordinate point 12 and 0. Ooh, nice. 12 and 0, that would be considered an x-intercept, but we'll talk more about that later. And then a slope of 3/2. 3 over 2, using rise over run, we're going to go up 3 and run 2. We always run to the right. So up 3 over 2, here we are. We're at the coordinate point 9 and 7. Here we go. All right, that's about it, students. So always start at point B. One thing that will help you, and it helped me a whole lot, is once you know the coordinate point of B, is fill in the rest of the grid, or on your own grid paper, fill in the other coordinate points so the math is a little bit easy to do. I mean, you could actually add 2 and add 1 to these coordinate points to do the math, but using grid paper is just a lot more efficient. So that's about it. We'll see you in class.